Hi. Are you stuck?
Please notice the shoes.
You want to go this way?
Hey, Isabella, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi, beautiful.
Okay, now we're in a corner. You want to turn around?
Ready to turn around?
Turn around.
Stay on the carpet.
Uh-oh.
Now what? Be careful.
Excuse me.
Daddy, you are a P.I.G.
You put Violet on the floor. You want to sit in there?
Why do you want her to stay on the corner?
It goes too fast on the hardwoods,
She does all right with it, actually.
but it doesn't roll. It kind of just goes.
Whoops, baby down.